All right. I know it's been a couple years since I made a recipe with quinoa, so today we'll change that. Yes, quinoa is rather annoying to cook, so make that a bit easier with this easy quinoa casserole recipe that really takes less time to prep than quinoa by itself. So let's just jump right into it. Start with a bowl and 1 can of diced tomatoes. Add those in, followed by 1 can of drained and rinsed black beans, some diced green chilies, 1.5 cups frozen corn, 1.5 cups frozen vegetables, however many sliced jalapeños you can handle, 1 cup of uncooked quinoa, 3 teaspoons taco seasoning mix, half a teaspoon garlic powder, 1 1/4 cups broth, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. And this is optional, but will obviously balance out the macros a bit. 1 pound of a browned lean ground meat. Beef, turkey, or chicken all work great with this. Go ahead and mix all of those together, then add that mix into a casserole dish and throw it in the oven on 400 for around 30 to 35 minutes or until it looks like this. Basically, you want to make sure your quinoa is tender and there's little to no liquid left. Once that happens, pull it out, top it with 1 cup of a cheddar cheese, throw it back in the oven until your cheese is melted. So there's your easy quinoa casserole. Now you know I wasn't lying about the easy part. Couple tips here. To keep the sodium low in this recipe, just look for no salt added or lower sodium options. Should be able to find these for the diced tomatoes, black beans broth, taco seasoning mix fairly easy. On every recipe I make with frozen vegetables, people always tell me to use fresh. So yes, you can totally use fresh vegetables in this if you want to. I use frozen most of the time for convenience. The frozen vegetable bags are always super cheap too if you're on a budget. And last, I usually portion this out into 6 servings, and each serving is around 300 grams. Also, I've been using these new meal prep containers, by the way. This one doesn't look used, but I promise you that I have 4 or 5 that I've been using for around a month. This one is obviously brand new. Where was I going with this? Oh, you can check these out in the link below. They're super cheap, great quality, and I've had zero issues with leaking. This isn't sponsored either. I think that's it. With that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And of course, stay healthy.